Hello friends, good morning to all of you. So in this video I am going to share the most important questions of direct taxation, that is difference between tax deducted at source and tax collected at source. This is your lecture number 4 and this topic already comes in December 2019 examination, which is carries 5 marks. Okay, I have made two important notes. One is for the purpose of एग्जामिनेशन में कौन कौन पॉइंट लिखना है, एंड अनदर वन नोट्स फॉर डिटेल्ड क्लैरिफिकेशन between TDS and tax calculator source, right? So this is the only summary of डिटेल क्लैरिफिकेशन. एग्जाम में जो जो लिखना है वो इसमें लिखा हुआ है, एंड आई हैव मेड ए सेपरेट नोट्स. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स लुक अपन द डिटेल रिपोर्ट, दैट इज द वेरियस डिफरेंस बिटवीन TDS एंड TCS, दैट इज टैक्स कलेक्टेड एट सोर्स. सो नाम से ही पता चलता है, इसका मतलब है टैक्स डिडक्टेड एट सोर्स एंड इसका मतलब है टैक्स कलेक्टेड एट सोर्स, राइट. देन ये लेस होता है फ्रॉम द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, टैक्स डिडक्टेड एट सोर्स फ्रॉम द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, एंड इन केस ऑफ टैक्स कलेक्टेड एट सोर्स it added from sales revenue and to pay such tax collected at source to government of India. इधर इनकम से लेस होगा या फिर जो सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है इससे लेस होगा एंड डिपॉजिट होगा गवर्नमेंट अकाउंट में. इधर सेल्स रेवेन्यू में ऐड होकर जो परसेंटेज ऐड होगा 1%, 1.5% जो भी है वो फिर गवर्नमेंट को डिपॉजिट किया जाएगा. ओके, देन थर्ड डिफरेंस इज टू बी डिडक्टेड ऑन सप्लाई ऑफ सर्विस, बट इन केस ऑफ टैक्स कलेक्टेड एट सोर्स टू बी कलेक्टेड ऑन सेल ऑफ गुड्स. इधर सर्विस से लेस होगा, सर्विस इनकम से लेस होगा, एंड इधर to be collected on sale of goods. Okay, this is the difference. And another difference is percentage of deduction varies on type of activities. Percent of deduction varies on type of activity, like TDS on contractor, separate rates. Then TDS on commission, separate rate. So like this. Okay, so in this way percentage of deduction varies on type of activities. In case of tax collected at source, this is ranging from 0.75% to 1%. ये कौन सा आइटम में लगता है, लाइक टेंडू लिव्स, एनी फॉरेस्ट आइटम्स, alcoholic, etc. Right. Now another difference is applicable on all persons other than HUF. In case of individual HUF, liable for tax audit. Okay, in case of tax deducted at source, it applicable on all persons other than HUF, and in case of individual HUF, liable for tax audit. But in case of tax collected at source, seller of specified goods, TCS लगता है, seller of specified goods, likewise tender leaves, timber, scrap, motor vehicles, etc. Okay, sellers of goods having turnover of more than 10 crore in the previous year also applicable for tax collected at source. Seller of goods having turnover of more than 10 crores in previous year shall be applicable for TD, the tax collected at source, right? Then next, due date of tax deducted at source is 7th of next month from April to February, and for 30th April it will be in case of March. इन केस ऑफ मार्च महीने का टीडीएस डिपॉजिट होगा 30th अप्रैल तक एंड बाकी जो है फ्रॉम अप्रैल टू फरवरी विल बी नेक्स्ट मंथ 7th of next month. Okay, remember, for the month of March tax will be deposited up to 30th April, but up to April and February it will deposit the next month up to 7th date. But in case of tax collected at source also the same, 7th of next month from April to February and 30th April in case of March. 30th April in case of March. ये point very important, you just need to remember that मार्च महीना में जो टैक्स कलेक्टेड एट सोर्स होगा वो डिपॉजिट होगा 30th अप्रैल को और बाकी जो अप्रैल टू फरवरी मतलब अप्रैल का टीसीएस डिपॉजिट होगा मई अप टू May 7th. Okay, likewise April to February, likewise next month 7th तारीख को डिपॉजिट होगा टैक्स कलेक्टेड एट सोर्स एंड द सेम ऑल्सो एप्लीकेबल फॉर टैक्स डिडक्टेड एट सोर्स. Okay, this is the fundamental difference between TDS and tax collected at source, and I have an example for this. So here is the example. First, particular, suppose this is tax deducted at source and this is tax collected at source amount. Okay, so net value rupees 1 lakh for tax deducted at source and also same for tax collected at source, right? Then GST, suppose GST applicable 18%. Suppose GST applicable on basic value 18%, that is 18,000 for 1 lakh and 18,000 for 1 lakh, right? Then suppose tax collected at source applicable 1%. 1% ये applicable इधर नहीं होगा लेकिन इधर TCS में applicable होगा that is 1%. 1% of 1 lakh. 1% of 1 lakh. Okay. Now what are the difference between TDS amount and tax collected source amount? It will be 1,18,000 in case of TDS and 1,19,000 in case of tax collected source. Buyer डिडक्टर जो है वो 10% डिडक्ट करता है. 10% डिडक्ट करता है ऑन बेसिक वैल्यू, दैट इज 1 lakh. 1 lakh इज द बेसिक वैल्यू. 10% डिडक्ट किया तो अमाउंट हुआ 10,000. ओके, वो 1,18,000 से लेस हो जाएगा एंड द बैलेंस पेमेंट टू सेलर विल बी 1,08,000. 1,08,000. बट इन केस ऑफ TCS, रिमेंबर, इन केस ऑफ TCS 1 lakh नेट वैल्यू, GST वैल्यू ऐड हुआ एंड उसके बाद TCS 1,000 ऑल्सो ऐड हुआ तो सेम विल बी 1,19,000. सो इधर टैक्स कलेक्टेड एट सोर्स अमाउंट ऐड होकर 1,19,000 हुआ एंड इधर जो TDS था वो लेस हो गया टोटल इनकम से, राइट? This is the difference between TDS and टैक्स कलेक्टर एट सोर्स. इधर 10,000 लेस हुआ तो वैल्यू आया 1,08,000. एंड इन केस ऑफ टैक्स कलेक्टर एट सोर्स, ये जो 1% टैक्स कलेक्टर एट सोर्स लागू हुआ था ऑन बेसिक वैल्यू दैट इज 1,000, वो आड़ होकर 1,19,000 हुआ. सो इन केस ऑफ TDS the value will be 1,08,000 and in case of TCS the value will be 1,19,000. so this is the difference. जब TDS की बात होगा तो वो जो सर्विस इनकम है इससे लेस होकर बैलेंस अमाउंट डिपॉजिट होगा सेलर अकाउंट में. बट इन केस ऑफ टैक्स कलेक्टर एट सोर्स, इनकम जितना भी है उसके ऊपर ये ऐड होकर जाएगा, टैक्स कलेक्टर सोर्स ऐड होकर जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस, 1,08,000 फॉर टैक्स डिडक्टेड एट सोर्स and 1,19,000 for tax collector source. So I hope you understood it very well. And now I am going for the short notes, which is applicable for examinations. So here you can write in examination, as this is only for 5 marks. You can write in this way that tax TDS means tax deducted at source. Tax is deducted only if amount is taxable in the hands of receiver. Remember, tax is deducted only if amount is taxable in the hands of receiver. Then tax deducted at source requirement arise होता है at the time of payment or at the time of crediting the account of pay, whichever is earlier. Okay, then TDS rates are fixed, that is 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%, etc. But if payment made to non-resident, or foreign company, or payment of salary, surcharge and health education fees shall be considered. Okay, so only 3 points you need to write. 1, tax is deducted only if amount is taxable in the hands of receiver. 2, tax deducted at source requirement arise at the time of payment or at the time of crediting the account of pay, whichever is earlier. And third, all tax rates are fixed, that is 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%, 30%, etc. But if payment made to non-resident, foreign company, or payment of salary, in that case surcharge and health education fees shall be considered. Only 3 points need to write in case of examinations, because this is only for 5 marks. And now about tax collected at source, TCS tax collected at source. First, remember the section. Section will be 206C. 206C. As per section 206C, seller shall collect tax from buyer. This is the basic funda you just need to remember. Seller shall collect tax from buyer. Seller shall collect tax from buyer at the time of debiting the account, or receipt of amount of buyer, whichever is earlier. This is the first and most important point. As per section 206C, seller shall collect tax from buyer at the time of debiting the account, or receipt of amount of buyer, whichever is earlier. Right? Then second point, tax collected at source is not applicable if buyer is government embassies. Remember, tax collected at source is not applicable if buyer is government embassies, government embassies, consulates, और या फिर हायर कमीशन हाई कमीशंस, high commissions. In case of government, TCS will not be applicable. Okay. And third point, tax collected at source is collected in case of following goods. Which goods? Alcoholic liquor for human consumption, first and most important. In case of alcoholic liquor for human consumption, then second, tender leaves, then timber and any other forest product, then scrap if any, then minerals being coal, ignite or iron, and motor vehicle. इन सब केसेस में TCS applicable होगा, TCS applicable होगा. Okay. TCS applicable. And in case of motor vehicle, if रुपीज़ 10 लाख से ज़्यादा अगर सेल होता है तो मैंडेटोरीली TCS अप्लाई होगा, TCS अप्लाई होगा. सो ये सब आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. दिस इज ओनली फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. Only 3 points in case of TDS you need to write, and in case of 3 points in case of TCS you must write, as this question carries 5 marks, and I have detailed clarified about the difference between tax collected at source and tax deducted at source. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.